When pulling out reform offset handles, the tool is always calculating the best result to accommodate the user's requests. On a portion of a relatively straight segment such as this, that means changing from the underlying path's direction to the maximum offset distance determined by this handle. By default, the flow from the original path to the reshaped portion can be abrupt and possibly quite jarring to the eye. This is where the transition option in the reform panel helps. Applying the same reshape to the same path, by ticking the transition option, it can clearly be seen that the change from the original path to the new reshaped portion is much smoother. Using the Enter or Return key to fix this change shows that the resultant reshaped path segments are all smooth. Moving to a more extreme example, where this highlight will be extended further over the cheekbone, the end markers are moved around to determine the portion that needs reshaping. When the transition option in the reform panel is unticked, the reshaped section doesn't look cohesive with abrupt changes in angle. Enabling the transition option, the associated slider can be used to set how smooth the transition should be, where 1 is minimal and 10 is an extreme smoothing. The transition option sticks between Illustrator sessions so that it remains how you left it, ready for your next use. This option is independent of user-defined reform profiles. Therefore, recall profiles will not change the transition setting. Please watch the Profiles video for more information about profiles.